I have my family playing this game that I created on Gimkit.com. This is a formative assessment game that I will be playing with the whole class. And I have my students enter the code and they are all ready to go. And here's how the game is played. I say start game. It's similar to Kahoot, but it lets you earn points and shop. So the game has started. I have entered the game again into in a different browser to see how I can join in the middle. I'm just gonna call myself with my name. Okay, there you go. So different people can play at different time. So it lets me view the correct answer too. So you can see how the game is played, and they let you view the answers and everything, and it can be played at a different time. And it's still going. And then once the game is done, I'm going to show you how the results. I can see the teach as a teacher. I can see the results. Okay, as you can see, I have the results here, and it gives you the score, and it also tells you how many percentages the students got accurate and what's the incorrect answer and how what's the correct answer. I don't know why this one has 74 and this one has 57, but um, that that's the number of times that this person A hit the right answer. And here's collective balance. You can set up when you're setting up a game. You can set up how much, what's the maximum they are going to money that they can collect, and so this is the number of answers answered correctly and incorrectly, and then the question breakdown also is here. So these questions were answered this many times correctly and this many times incorrectly, and then it gives you the percentage. So what it gives you the class. It also gives you the individual student score, and also it gives you the question breakdown. So depending on the type of question, if it is a higher order thinking question and then the student is struggling, then we can go and look at the scores and make sure which students got it, which students didn't get it, where do we can, this is a formative assessment, so you can have this score and decide on how to um, proceed further and how to give them intervention or reteach, or if they have gotten it, then what's the next step. So this is a very good formative assessment, and it's fun for the students because they get to, you can also click on each of the students names to see what they got and which questions they got right and which questions they got incorrectly. So that helps you decide, um, decide on what kind of intervention and which student needs intervention. So if this, for example, Asian's only friend is a fish is the right answer, the student got it incorrectly, that means there is some, maybe we need to go and read the story again and reteach the student about the characters and settings and story elements. And as you can see, there are, this student has the keywords is a problem here, and this student has some major information that is missing, like where setting the story of the setting, what's the central message, everything. There is a the idea of the story elements and the lesson and the, those ideas are missing from this student, and we can give the right intervention here. That this can inform your next steps in teaching.